Imagine a world where electric vehicles, EVs, can travel twice as far on a single charge, refuel as quickly as filling up a gas tank, and never risk catching fire. This isn't science fiction. It's the promise of solid-state batteries, a groundbreaking technology poised to supercharge the EV industry. Today's EVs rely on lithium-ion batteries, which have served us well but come with limitations. Think of these batteries like a water balloon filled with electrolyte liquid. They're functional, but they can leak, they're sensitive to temperature, and they can only hold so much energy before bursting. Solid-state batteries, on the other hand, are more like a brick than a water balloon. They replace the liquid electrolyte with a solid material, which brings a host of advantages. Solid-state batteries can pack more energy into the same space. It's like upgrading from a small backpack to a spacious suitcase without changing the exterior dimensions. This translates to EVs that can drive significantly farther on a single charge, potentially doubling current ranges. Remember those hoverboards that made headlines for catching fire? That's the kind of thermal runaway that solid-state batteries aim to eliminate. Their solid construction makes them more stable and less prone to overheating or combustion, even in extreme conditions. With a solid-state battery, you enjoy lightning-fast charging. Imagine charging your EV in the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee. Solid-state batteries could make this a reality, with some prototypes demonstrating charging times comparable to refueling a gasoline car. Solid-state batteries have an edge when it comes to weight. By reducing battery weight, solid-state technology could create a virtuous cycle of efficiency. Lighter batteries mean lighter cars, which require less energy to move, potentially extending range even further. Solid-state batteries come with space-saving design. With more compact batteries, EV designers could reimagine vehicle interiors, potentially offering more passenger space or cargo room. It's like suddenly finding an extra closet in your home that you never knew existed. While solid-state batteries might sound like a distant dream, they're closer to reality than you might think. Samsung has already shipped test batches to major automakers, with batteries boasting an impressive 965-kilometer range and a 9-minute charging time. Meanwhile, companies like QuantumScape are collaborating with Volkswagen to develop solid-state batteries that maintain 95% of their capacity after 1,000 charging cycles, equivalent to over 500,000 kilometers of driving. The road ahead. Despite the exciting progress, challenges remain. Scaling up production and reducing costs are significant hurdles. It's like trying to mass-produce a gourmet meal. The recipe works in small batches, but making it affordable and available to everyone takes time. However, the potential benefits are driving major investments across the industry. Toyota plans to commercialize its solid-state technology by 2028, while Honda aims to launch a solid-state battery vehicle in the latter part of this decade. Solid-state batteries represent a quantum leap for electric vehicles, promising to address the key concerns of range anxiety, charging time, and safety. While we may not see them in showrooms tomorrow, their development is accelerating rapidly. As Samsung's recent announcement shows, the future of EVs is solidifying before our eyes, quite literally. The race to bring solid-state batteries to market is on, and the winners will likely shape the future of transportation. So the next time you see an EV on the road, remember, its successor, powered by solid-state technology, might just be around the corner, ready to take electric mobility to unprecedented heights.